Din sa sa juice, meron ako ininom ha. Anyway,
charge sa'yo yun, no? Minom ka pa lang.
So, Nerufa. Anong mas nakakapagpabata sa'yo? Collagen o itong boyfriend mong bago? Ano mas
Grabe ka naman, Tito John. Ako, best friend ka pa naman ni Mami. Baka punit-punitin ng dyaryo, pakabasa niya. Well, ano mo, for me, just being happy in general. Siyempre, mas nakakabata sa akin ang collagen, no? Ang Cosmos Skin Premium Collagen. Mas nag-work siya talaga na para mawala yung mga wrinkles ko, mas nag-glow ang skin ko. Pero mas importante talaga na meron din tayong inspirasyon sa buhay.
Gaano ka laki yung influence mo sa'yo?
Wala naman siyang malaking influence sa akin. You know, for me, I think in this day, in age and in this point in my life, hindi na uso ngayon yung love na talagang mag-i-elope ka or you're gonna get married. I don't even see myself getting married again.
Huh?
Maybe, I don't know, but it's not a priority. My priority this year is to make money and to be happy and to secure my children's future.
What about a baby? Another baby? Sabi mo sa akin, pwede ka pa.
Parang excited ako kasi I think may Zion, may Arya.
Ikaw na lang wala.
Oo, parang excited lang ako, I would have another baby. Pero, naku, magulo na si Zion ha. As in, grabe, keeps running around the house and talaga nagsasalita na. Sabi ko, ay naku, parang, I think I don't want to have another baby because having another baby entails a lot of responsibility. Baka just have a dog na lang. Bigyan na ako ng aso, di ba? Di ba parang, Diyos ko, parang hirap magkaroon ng anak. Parang happy na ako kay Lorene and Venice. Lorene is 11 and Venice is 10. And feeling ko ayoko na magka-baby.
Maski marami ka mga fresh eggs.
Ay, marami pa. Pina-check ko talaga. Nasa ano, di ba? Nasa guts. My eggs are super fresh and I can have any baby anytime I want.
Grabe naman.
But ano, parang mahirap mag-alaga dito, June. Diyos ko, ang hirap-hirap. Kasi pag baby sila, kailangan alagaan mo sila. When they're older, you have to make sure they excel in school. Sa akin, 2 babae pa. Parang na-imagine ko na yung si Mami nagkakauban sa akin. Kasi pag na-in-love or nagkaka-crush ako pag teenager, I don't want to experience that with Lorene and Venice. Kaya as early as now, pinapasports ko na sila. Gusto ko sila maging nerd.
Grabe naman yung nerd.
Sila ma-nerd para hindi ma-in-love, di ba? Nako, nakaka-stress.
Iba yung style mo na pagpapalaki para hindi may love sa lalaki
Oo, huwag naman babae. Hindi may love. Actually, they're still babies now, but iniisip ko one day, diba, I don't want to make the same mistakes also that my mom made. Kasi my mom naman was unreasonably mahigpit. Yung mga bata kasi ngayon, you have to explain to them why. Why? Di ba ako nung bata ko, why? My mom would always say, basta, I'm your mom, kinig ka. No, but what's the reason why? Wala siyang may sabihin na reason. Now you really have to communicate with your children. Iba na yung mga panahon ngayon eh.
Probado naman nila yung boyfriend mo. Dalawang kids.
Well, they treat him as a friend. It's the first time that I've ever introduced anyone to my kids. And feeling ko naman, parang, I think it's time. Diba? Ayun.
Time pa rin. Namimiss ka na namin umarte doon. Mga drama. Don't you miss it?
Oo nga. Well, nakaka-miss din. Nakaka-miss din talaga. Hopefully, I'll have a project this year na makita naman ang aking drama skills. Actually, may kinukuha nga ako ni June for yung mga drama na bonggang-bongga. Parang, I don't know. Siguro I'll accept it na lang next time. I just haven't been able to accept it kasi we were so busy with Guts.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any more?
Thank you, Mr. Junardo. Ito si Mr. Chuck. Ay, takang question. Si Nerissa Almo ng PEP.
Nanalo, sana.
Late siya. Oo.
Speaking of project, meron bang plan to sign up with networks? Kasi right now wala ka pang network contract with any networks.
I think the times have changed. Like now, it's not really a big deal anymore if you're tied up with a certain network, unless you're 16 and you have like a launching contract that they're gonna launch you to full stardom. But I think at my age now, it doesn't matter which network I'm with because now it's not even the networks that are important also as now as a TV. But ngayon, andyan na yung internet, andyan na yung social media, there are other avenues talaga wherein you can be heard, your voice can be heard. So it doesn't really matter if you're tied down to a contract in a station anymore, kasi ang dami ng mga bagong opportunities.
And seeing ko na, since pinag-uusapan ngayon ng Miss Universe, any beauty expert advice, since you're a former beauty queen, to MJ?
Well, MJ, I think she's well prepared. You know, she's been in pageants several times already, and of course, being the representative of the Philippines, we're all here to support her. Hopefully, she'll be our first Miss Universe, and you know, hopefully, they'll start using Filipino-made gowns, national costumes, kasi all our designers are so talented, more talented than the other designers from all over the world. And nakikita naman natin na ang huhusay ng mga Pinoy, ba't ayaw natin ipakita ang kahusayan ng mga Pinoy? Dapat isuot nila yung Pinoy na gawa ng damit. Kasi magagaling tayo eh, hindi naman tayo kailangan manghiram pa ng damit na nasuot na ng iba or hiniram lang. So, sayang naman yung chance na maipakita natin yung mga mahuhusay natin, mga designers, kung hindi nila pinaparada yung sarili nating gown at sarili natin national costume. Ako, I really took a stand back in the day in 1993. No, I want Mang Ben Ferrales to make my national costume. It was Sarimanok. Nakita mo, Pinoy na Pinoy talaga. Yung gown ko, wala akong choice. Pero at least, simple naman yung gown, maganda. Nagwagi naman siya. But I think now, marami na mahuhusay.
So, hindi ka masyadong agree dun sa sinuot niya for the preliminary?
I didn't get to see. I just saw Carrie Santiago's post on Instagram.
Pero it's not Filipino-made yata.
Oo. So, I mean, nakita mo naman, Monique Lhuillier, sinuot ng asawa ni President Obama, Michelle Obama. You know, all our Dubai-based designers, our Cebu-based designers. Ang huhusay nila. So, yun ang dapat i-ano natin. I think you guys should really help and support the Filipino designers.
Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Yan, okay.
Hands.
Okay, so Binya Bibar. Hi, Binya! Late ka naman, hindi ka pa nakita. Ito si Jojo Panaligan ng Manila.
Ano na lang, follow up na natin si Annabel Ramos.
Pwede ko na sabihin siya ang editor.
Annabel Ramos. Kung tanggap mo yung boyfriend, ay away sila sa Twitter.
Hello?
Pa meron ka bang age ng let it go?
Hindi, yung anak.
Okay na din na
Yung mga anak ko lang.
No.
Tama, di ba? Yung twins.
I don't think there's an age that you should just let it all go. I mean, if you travel a lot, you'll see a lot of the 70-year-olds, the 50-year-olds, they all look good. They all work out, they all keep fit. Sa tingin ko, just because na ang dami kong nakukuha mga messages na, ay, hindi ka mukhang nanay. Sabi ko, ay, bakit naman kailangan itsura ng nanay? Kailangan ba losya ng nanay? Nakita mo naman yung mga Brazilian models now sa Victoria's Secrets, Adriana Lima, Heidi Klum. They have so many children, and yet they still look good. So I think now it's not about age. Age is just a number. We should definitely age gracefully. Hindi ko naman sinabing mag-miniskirt tayo araw-araw at magwala-wala, but I think we have to also take care of ourselves no matter what age.
But it doesn't get tiring for you work out every day, watching your diet?
I do it for myself, not for anyone else. But why would you want to look old, fat, ugly, and wrinkled? My God, diba? Parang we have to take care naman of ourselves. And kung kaya naman natin, kung kaya ng kapasidad natin, alagaan natin yung sarili natin. Because of ourselves. This is what God gave us, and God told us to take care of ourselves.
Yung second question ko may connect dun sa app mo. May nagsasabi naman pag masyado kang available sa tao, nawawala yung mystery ng artist.
Hindi na usong mysterious ngayon. If you're mysterious, nawawala ka, nakakalimutan ka ng tao. You know, in this day and age, hindi ka na pwede maging Marlon Brando na magtatago ka and then mamimiss ka ng mga tao. No, I mean, it's actually in our contracts that we have to tweet, we have to express ourselves in social media, and they'll even get you more if you're, you know, if you're an influencer in social media and if you express your opinion. Iba na yung panahon ngayon. It's all about the internet. It's all about, you know, the times. It's all about internet TV. So,
Ready ka na?
for me,
Ako.
mas hindi ka pa kukunin. Kung medyo nawawala, ay ginagawa nito, hindi mo nakikita. Ano ba naman siya Twitter? Wala siyang Instagram, di ba? So ngayon, dapat ang gawin ng mga artista, up nila yung followers nila. Kasi yun ang tinitingnan na ngayon ng mga malalaking ahensya at ng mga tao na gusto nilang
Sige, Day.
kumuha ng endorsers.
No such thing as overexposed na these days.
I don't think so. I mean, even the bloggers make money now. The bloggers, the YouTubers. At iba na yung panahon ngayon. So you have to really go with the flow and you have to go and adapt to the times. I don't think there's such thing as overexposure nowadays.
Thanks.
Okay.
Ay,
Follow up lang. Hindi, follow up lang.
ito na.
Hindi, follow up lang.
Ay, may follow-up question.
Hi Rupa, follow-up question lang. You said you introduced your boyfriend to your daughters. Kay Miss Annabelle po, kamusta na siya? Natanggap na ba? Especially after the Twitter rant, yung nag-exchange kayo na.
Alam mo si Mommy, kailangan lang talagang i-train siya. You know, i-train siya, ito gusto mo, ito nangyayari. But I think she's come to accept the fact na nandyan lang siya. Tsaka hindi naman siya nakaka-istorbo sa buhay ko. With me kasi, if it's work, it's work. I'm not one of those celebrities that bit their boyfriends everywhere, unless it's an event or it's a social gathering. But if it's work, it's work. And I don't let my love life affect my work. So I think my mom's appreciated that, na hindi naman nakikialam si Jordan sa career ko, sa mga gawain ko. I still take care of my kids. And right now, even if he's there in my life, it's just as an inspiration. He's not my priority.
Follow-up na lang din sa Miss Universe. So malaki yung chance na nakikita mo kay Mary Jean.
Based dun sa sa nakita ko sa kanya sa Binibining Pilipinas pageant, I believe we have a strong chance. So I'm gonna be with all my gay friends and we're all gonna watch on Monday and we're gonna cheer for her. I think we have to show also our Philippine representatives that we're here to support them no matter what, para magkaroon sila ng confidence.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,